Europe and the Caribbean have joined forces to fight coastal risk related to climate change through a project called Carib Coast. It aims to create a Caribbean network for the prevention and crisis management of coastal risks. The project will focus on the French Caribbean territories of Guadeloupe, Martinique and Saint Martin alongside Trinidad and Tobago, Jamaica and Puerto Rico. We get more in this report from France Carib Broadcast.
Carib Coast is a project funded by the European Commission, which starts from a simple observation, is that almost all the islands of the Caribbean are subject to major natural risks. So there is a need of establishing networks of experts from all over the Caribbean who can start working together to solve coastal management issues that concern both the monitor of phenomena and the prevention of risks, particularly cyclones. In the project Carib Coast, we will both network experts marine weather phenomena, but also experts in the mitigation of coastal erosion, including the use of natural ecosystems, using by example of ecosystems such as mangroves, reefs, or beach vegetation to mitigate erosion.
The Carib Coast project is of vital importance to the islands of Trinidad and Tobago, just like many of the islands in the Caribbean, because we suffer from the same ailments as the other islands. Climate change issues, natural hazards, risks. So this project will be of benefit to our islands, and hopefully we can share that information through the University of the West Indies.
What the Institute of Marine Affairs can bring to the Carib Coast project would be a history of research. We have been monitoring the coast for over 40 years, and we have a wealth of data. In terms of logistic support to the Carib Coast project, we can provide trade personnel, we have facilities, we have a fleet of vessels, and we have the will to try and improve the coast, not of Trinidad and Tobago, but also in a larger sense the Caribbean.
Jamaica benefits from this initiative because for many years, a lot of our foreign revenue is generated through tourism. Tourism is such a significant part of our economy that anything at all that threatens tourism is going to threaten all of our lives. And this is not just for Jamaica, but for the Caribbean in general. And so being able to protect our coastal areas, being able to make sure that it's resilient, and that each of us takes a personal stake in ensuring that we're protecting our coastal resources. This is why this project is so important to us. So our collaboration with Interreg, that's with the French government and the European Union, is crucial at this time. Many times we think there's a language barrier that prevents us from, collaborating and trying as much as possible to see where we can find a lot of our synergies. But this is a project that will overcome that. And so we're quite excited to be a part of this program.
So the Monde Geoinformatics Institute in Jamaica has partnered with many international researchers to do coastal dynamic studies in Jamaica and around the Caribbean. We're also bringing to the table our fieldwork skills, so the implementation of video monitoring networks on the island, and for doing geotechnical surveys in the offshore area, and new studies on hydrodynamics using equipment such as ADCPs, ADVs. And I think the partnership with Carib Coast benefits us quite a lot in terms of the equipment that we have access to and the resources which are available for this project.
These Caribbean partners are all experts in their fields on coastal risks and will be able to contribute to the networking of Caribbean experts to improve knowledge and then to ensure that the different islands of the Caribbean can help and find solutions together to prevent coastal risks and the effects of climate change.